Hi everyone, it's Jazz and Modest Gourmet is back with a perfect breakfast or brunch option for you. Today I made cast iron skillet eggs. This has been my favorite thing to make on a Sunday, and the best part about it is that it doesn't take too long, it looks real fancy, and you only dirty one dish. So before you do anything else, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can get all of the new recipes that I'm gonna share with you. So let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to make this dish. First, I'm gonna take a bite.
Let's go ahead and heat up the cast iron skillet to medium heat and add some olive oil. Once the pan is evenly coated, we're going to add half of an onion chopped and half of a bell pepper chopped. You can use any color, it really doesn't matter. I used 1 cup of mushrooms. These are white button mushrooms. And then I used half a cup of asparagus. Now we're going to give this a quick stir just to even it out and add a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste. And just to kick it up a little notch, we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder as well. I added 3 links of cooked turkey sausage that I chopped in little pieces to this mix as well. And then why not go crazy and add some turkey bacon? I do like to use turkey, so it makes it a little healthier. I'm adding some chopped cherry tomatoes in an heirloom variety. You can use whichever one you want, but I like adding a little bit of the yellow or orange because they're a little less acidic and a little sweeter. Now we're going to saute the veggies until the tomatoes cook down a little bit. We still want the other veggies to have a little bit of a bite, but not be mushy. Now we're going to add the eggs. Let's carefully crack 6 large eggs. You can use jumbo as well, that'll work. And I'm trying really hard not to break any yolks or get any shells in the dish because, crunchy eggs are no bueno. You want to work as quickly as you can without breaking anything, just so at least the whites don't start forming up as you kind of see it happening. I'm going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and cover the dish, and we're going to cook until the egg whites are solid, and then the yolks are how you like them. I like mine easy medium. I also like to garnish with a little bit of cilantro. Please use hot pads when you're moving this. It's super hot. I've listed the ingredients in the description below. Please comment with any questions or any other comments that you have. I absolutely love the flavor and the balance of the dish with the fresh veggies, the meatiness from the turkey sausage and bacon, and the softness of the eggs. Thanks again for joining the Modest Gourmet. We'll see you next time.